In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a mileage tracker in Google Sheets with the help of Claude AI. Whether you're managing business travel expenses or just keeping tabs on your personal vehicle usage, having a reliable mileage tracker is essential. With Google Sheets, the simplicity and accessibility of this tool will let you keep track of all the necessary details with ease. So let's dive into the step-by-step process, starting from scratch. First, you'll need to open Claude AI. This will be your assistant in creating an efficient and user-friendly mileage tracker. If you're unfamiliar with Claude, it's an AI platform that can help you generate content and automate tasks. Once you have Claude open, start a new chat. This fresh conversation window will be where you input your prompts and receive responses, making it the perfect workspace for our task today. Next, you'll want to give Claude a specific prompt. To do this, simply copy and paste the following message. Create a simple mileage tracker for Google Sheets. Include columns for date, vehicle, starting location, destination, purpose, starting odometer, ending odometer, total miles, mileage rate, and reimbursement. Add formulas that automatically calculate total miles and reimbursement. Add a monthly summary showing total miles and total reimbursement. Keep the design simple and beginner-friendly. This prompt instructs Claude to set up a comprehensive and efficient mileage tracker for you, complete with all necessary details. Once Claude processes this prompt, it will generate a spreadsheet with the right columns and formulas. It's important to note that Claude can export these spreadsheets into files when this feature is enabled on your account. This is useful as it allows for easy downloading and transferring into different applications. At this point, you might receive an Excel XLSX file from Claude. Don't worry if your Google Sheets preference seems a bit unclear at first. We will transition smoothly into it. If you receive an Excel file, the next step is to transfer it to Google Sheets. Start by downloading the file from Claude onto your computer. With the file saved, head over to Google Drive. Once there, click on the New button, then select File Upload. Here, upload the Excel file you've just downloaded. After the upload completes, right-click on the file. Choose the Open With option, and then select Google Sheets. This step will convert your file into a Google Sheet, maintaining all the formulas and formatting Claude set up for you. With your newly created Google Sheet open, the final touch is renaming it to something easy to recognize. Naming it Mileage Tracker 2026 could be a good start, indicating the year and purpose of the document immediately. Doing this keeps your files organized and makes it ready to use right away. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created a mileage tracker using Google Sheets and Claude AI. This tool will provide a clear overview of your travel data, help manage your costs efficiently, and can be accessed from anywhere at any time. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below if you have any questions or need further clarification.